Hi everyone, this is Mr. Bainey. This week in week 17, I wanted to touch base. There's a couple things we're going to do. The rest of the school is actually doing an assessment called the MAPS assessment. However, because we are open campus, you are not responsible for doing them. So I wanted to touch base with you just on a couple of things. First and foremost, I am going to send you this spreadsheet that you see right now. What I would like you to do is I would like you to complete this, okay? And there's really only a couple fields that you're going to need to do. So the first things first, at the very top, which you will see right here, your name, I simply want you to just type your name, okay? And your school district, your home school, and your current grade. Now, obviously, I know this information, but it'll help me organize, right? Now, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to fill in your core courses and your platforms, your teachers, your percent completed, and your grade, and this will help you. Go ahead and figure this out, and it's also a good kind of a checkpoint. And I want to make sure that everyone is on pace and everyone knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to their electives. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, even if you come in to yours, you will see. Let me go ahead and type something real quick. So I'm using a test learner, okay? So when I go into Odysseyware, I can look here and I can see that here's a test learner, right? So if I looked at this, consumer math, well, that would be a math class. So what I want to do is, if we remember what we have here, so for my consumer math class, I would just type the platform, whether it's an Odysseyware, Odysseyware Academy, Florida Virtual, Canvas, or Google Classroom. So go ahead and pick one of those. Now, obviously, the one that I selected here is from Odysseyware. So I can just come right here and I can type over this as to what it's called, Consumer Math. And this was in my Odysseyware. My teacher is Mrs. Pincheri. Now, what I want to do is I want to check my current grade and my current percent complete. So when we look here, the progress bar, I am at 7%, all right? So I am desperately, desperately behind in this. And the grade that I've earned in this so far is a 98%, so I can put 98 right here, okay? So that's what I want you to do, and I want you to do that for every course that you have. So you're going to have to bounce back and forth between Odysseyware, Odysseyware Academy, Florida Virtual. So if you have any questions doing that, please let me know. And you have today and tomorrow to get that done, okay? So any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.